doing the Dirty Dozen by bloveslife and PR Gang. Whew.
If you lost, now you're found. So like, comment, share, and subscribe right now. Cause I'm your plug, and I'm about to put you on to Adrian's Cooking and Food Review, baby. He'll give you the recipes, he'll have you down on one knee over his food. Adrian's Cooking and Food Review, he'll give you the recipes, he'll have you down on one knee. Oh, baby. Adrian's Cooking and Food Review, baby. You know how to use those spices too, baby. You ever had real Jamaican food? Some oxtails? You have? From where? California? Napa Valley? Child, please. He'll give you the recipes. He'll have you down on one knee over his food. Adrian's Cooking and Food Review. He'll give you the recipes. He'll have you down on one knee. Oh, baby. Adrian's Cooking and Food Review, baby. Come on in, baby. And make sure you tell a friend. Okay.
Alright, so as you can see, we have our 12 eggs already cracked. They're all emptied into my bowl right here. I'm going to leave it there so you can count all those yolks, because I'm super nervous about this challenge. You know I don't do a lot of challenges, but I'm like, let's challenge yourself today, Adrian. You got to step out of the box. So I'm going to give you a little moment to count them. Go ahead, count them up. And then we have all our bacon right here. It's like 12 strips of bacon. So we're going to get over to the stove and scramble these eggs up with a little bit of cheese as B-Love done. And we'll be right back. All right, guys, so we're gonna put our egg in our pot. And me, I don't like to beat my eggs, so you'll still get another view. Look, the bowl is empty, all right? Empty. And you can get another view of how many eggs. You can see that I didn't cheat, okay? Look carefully. So we're just gonna take our little time and scramble these eggs up on medium heat. And I'll see you in just a moment, all right? All right, so I want my eggs to be really flavorful. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of grated Parmesan, a little bit of Badia Complete seasoning. I don't love eggs, so I'm gonna make these flavorful. A lot of black pepper. We're gonna get some cheddar too and grate in there. And of course, some salt. This is a lot of eggs, I must say. All right, we're gonna keep scrambling. All right, so we added our cheese in. Our eggs are almost done. These are not your traditional eggs. I like my eggs a certain way. All right, so I'll see you in the mukbang. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're doing something a little bit different. You all know me, I don't do challenges. But today I was like, you know, Adrian, challenge yourself to do this. So we're doing the Dirty Dozen by bloveslife and PR Gang. Whew. What this challenge entails is 12 eggs, any style, 12 bacon or sausage link or ham, and you got to do this in 12 minutes. This is gonna be interesting. So I normally use my phone for my stopwatch, but you know, I'm unable to use it right now because it's dead. So you see it has 00. All right, let me go ahead and start. See, it's running. All right, I'm gonna put it to the side right there. I'm not even. This is gonna be interesting. I'm not excited for this one. I don't know if it had, but The way all this is done, it's pretty good. After I eat this, I can't eat anything else. Another reason why I'm doing this too, I've never done a breakfast mukbang on the channel. I didn't even take a thumbnail. It's already about 2 minutes. And you know me, I normally just have a regular plate of food. Timer says almost 3 minutes. I'm full already. I'm definitely gonna need a walk after. 4 minutes. I'm not doing too bad though. I'm not trying to drink too much though because that's just gonna fill me up. Sorry for that knocking. See, I do my eggs in chunks. It's almost 13. It's a double share. 6 minutes in. A lot of people think this is an easy challenge. And the funny thing is, 2:04. This is my first meal for the day, and I'm already full. I'm gonna be like eat spice with tea. I call it quits. It's 7 minutes and 34 seconds, but I just can't eat anymore. So at 7 minutes and 36 seconds, I'm like, no more. I ate 9 pieces of bacon and about 6 eggs. I just can't do it. But I want to say thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss a brand new upload. Shout out to bloveslife and PR Gang for this challenge. And I want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Don't click off the video just yet because you want to be serenaded by the one and only Silas Mukbang. Guys, I'll see you later.
Thanking you.